What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the MCC Body Shop channel. You already see behind me, we got the 2020 Toyota Supra. I made it, guy. I did my dream come true. Thank you for watching, supporting this video, the channel, sharing, liking. I really appreciate your help. It's not because of YouTube. It's something that I did with sacrifice and a lot of work that I got my dream car. But anything is possible. So if you had a dream, don't wake up until you make it come true. So that's for today's day. We're gonna start working, doing our first video on the first modification on the Supra. So hopefully you like this video. I got a bunch of stuff coming. Hopefully they don't take that long to get here, but I already had a couple stuff I'm gonna show you guys. But for today, we're gonna try to put our lowering springs. We're gonna lower this car and put our front lip on it. So let's jump right into it. Let me show you. So here we go. I got this out of the way. Nope, I was right. Come on. Okay, here we go. So here we go. We got the lowering springs. This is actually a, I don't know if you can read that right there. I'm trying to focus it. Can I focus? Not really. So, but actually it's a Fashion Fab performance lower spring. That's what we got going on. I also had a downpipe, a Titan Motorsport downpipe with the fuller, so we don't have the, hopefully we don't get the CEL light, the check engine light. And what else we got? Oh yes, and we got our front lip. The front lip is from MAXTON. It's the gloss black. It's not the carbon fiber one. I really don't want to put all my money into modifications on the car, so, but it's pretty decent. It still had like a plastic cover on it, so once I put it on, I will peel that plastic off. But I know it's gonna look nice, so yeah, that's what we got going on. I'm gonna be installing the front lip and the lowering spring, so that's what we got. So hopefully you like this video, and see you until the end. Let's see the results. Okay guys, so we're gonna measure it before we start taking anything out. So we are right here in the front. So from the floor to the edge of the hood is gonna be 27 inches. 27 inches on the front one. So let's go measure the rear one. And the rear one is gonna be 27 3/8. 27 3/8. So let's see. Supposedly this lowering spring that I got from Fashion Fabs, they're supposed to lower 1.7 inch, a 1.7 inch. I should say that 1.7 inch drop in the front and in the rear. So we should be looking at 25 and something once we put the springs on. So that's what we got going on. Let's see if it's true. So let's go. Okay guys, so don't do this by yourself. Make sure you had a friend or somebody to help you out, because I'm doing this by myself and it's a mess. This shortcut, for me, it's not going well. First of all, the spring compressor that I went and picked up at AutoZone, they're too humongous. Like, they're super big, so they don't fit. I have to like figure it out how to put it inside here. But I already got the first spring on, so it was a task. It's not easy. I've been here probably for like an hour and a half trying to figure out this one. I'm not gonna do the second one now and then the back one. So yeah, it's not easy. So just a heads up on that one. If you're gonna do it by yourself, just trying to do it the right way, and please get some help. Make sure you have the right tools. You're gonna need, obviously, spring compressors. You're gonna need a 13 socket, a 16 socket. Pretty much that will be it. And a 18. Yeah, a 18 for the strut tower. But man, I'm tired, and I still have 3 more to go. This is the first one I'm done. But good thing about it is I'll learn for my next one. So don't do the shortcut. And if you're gonna do it, be aware you probably can't get it right away, or you're probably gonna get stuck trying to figure out how to put this thing on. So let me just keep going to the next one and see how this one turns out. Okay guys, so we almost done. 1 more to go. I'm all dirty, look at this. I'm all dirty. But I already did the passenger side on the rear. So the rear is pretty easy. It took me longer to do the front than what it actually took me to do the rear. But I still have to do the driver's side. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing, so you know exactly what is going on. For the rear, you actually going to need one of these. This is the Torx sockets, and this is a E20. So you're gonna need this. I bought a whole set. Let me just grab this. I bought a whole set at Home Depot, Husky brand, and I got all type of different measurements. So definitely you're gonna want to have this set if you have a Supra, because you're gonna find a lot of bolts with Torx. So actually, let me just go underneath the car. And first thing, you have to take this plate out. It have 2 10 millimeters nuts over here and 2 more over there. So actually it's 4 10. When you take this out, you can actually just gonna take this 2 bolts out. And this is exactly what I'm talking about getting the Torx, because that's the only one that you're gonna need with the torque. And if you have a breaker bar, it's gonna be way easier if you just break it loose first and then use your impact gun and stuff. But that thing is tight. That thing is really torqued out. So this one, which is the one that hold the arm into the spindle, and then this one is the one that holds the strut. And that's it. Once you take those 2 out, we're just gonna pry this out, and the spring should come easily. And other thing is, you want to disconnect this cable over here. Let me show you. Let's just do it right now. Okay. So it's dark, so you can see. But you just disconnect this and just wiggle it out here. And that's it. Then we'll disconnect this other one from here. You don't have to disconnect it from the spindle. You don't have to take it out. You just only have to wiggle this cable, so that way when you press down the plate, you don't mess up the wire. But that's it, pretty much. I'm just gonna try to fix the camera a little bit better so you guys can see the whole process. So let's go. Okay guys, so last night we installed the lowering springs and the front lip on the Supra, and like I said, don't do this by yourself. Please get somebody to help you, because this kind of like shortcut lowering spring install was for me a pain. It was really hard to do, especially the front one. The rear ones was pretty easy, but the front one was a little bit hard. So that's it. Let me just show you. This is how it kind of like looks now. So it's the gap now between the fender and the tire is pretty small, like almost nothing. There we go. There we go with the front lip. That's the MAXTON front lip. I paid like, the thing was like $209 plus like $40 shipping, so a $250 cost. It looks pretty good. I like this one because it got kind of like a little more aggressive style. So there you go. Check out the back one, and pretty much on the front it went a whole inch drop. The back kind of almost like 80-85 drop. It didn't do the complete inch. It was supposed to go like 1.7, but I mean it's still pretty good. I don't have the gap no more between the wheels. That was my worry. I really didn't want to like drop it to the floor, but it looks good. I got some splitters that I'm gonna put on the side, but I'm gonna custom make those. Same thing on the little corner on the back, and I still want to probably wrap the pillars, and yeah, that's it. Actually, probably tomorrow I'm gonna be doing another video because I have the downpipe to install it. But this is how it's looking. Hopefully you like it. And like I always say, thank you for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share it. See you on the next one. God bless you.